Electron beam machining. Filament and the cathode. After heating filament, cathode is heated up and the temperature reach more than 3000 degrees centigrade. Then emit electron, which is accelerated through the anode, which is positively charged in focusing coil, and then strike through the workpiece. Here the vacuum is maintained so that the electron cannot strike to atmospheric molecules or air molecules. That's why vacuum is maintained. And then after striking, erosion takes place, and through the erosion, material removal can be electron beam machining. High voltage cable, cathode grid, where electron emit through the anode. Anode is positively charged, and then magnetic lens and deflection coil. So that this is the electron stream. First accelerated through the anode and then strike workpiece. The viewing port, and this is vacuum. To maintain the vacuum pump is here to maintain the vacuum. Electron beam machining. Part loaded inside a vacuum chamber. Beam is focused through the electromagnetic lens, reducing diameter as small 0.025 mm. Material is vaporized very localized area, and electron beam is striking. Then the temperature rises up at localized area, and then the temperature increase, and then metal vaporized and material removed. This is the thermal process. EBM is a metal removal process by high velocity focusing stream of electron. As the electron strike the workpiece, the high velocity of finite energy is transferred into the thermal energy and removes the material. The production of free electron are obtained by electron gun. Due to pattern of electrostatic field produced by a grid cup, electrons are focused and moved to flow in the form of converging beam through the anode. Electrons are accelerated while passing through the anode by applying the high voltage magnetic deflection coil is used to make electron beam circular and focused electron beam at a point. The process is carried out in a vacuum chamber to prevent electron from colliding with molecules of the atmospheric air and to prevent tungsten filament from getting ionized by. Advantage: very small holes can be machined in every type of material with high accuracy. There is no mechanical contact between tool and workpiece, hence no tool wear. Disadvantages: cost of equipment is high, rate of metal removal is low. It can be used for small cuts only. Vacuum required limited size of the workpiece. Application: drilling of hole in pressure differential devices used in nuclear reactor, aircraft engine, machining of wire drawing dies having small cross